Welcome back to WeatherBug here on a Monday. Todd Nelson. To look at that national coast-to-coast forecast, you're looking at a time lapse of thunderstorms out in the Reno, Nevada region. It's kind of interesting. You can see the bubbling clouds that are out for the distance. This is an anvil of a thunderstorm pushing into the region, and eventually you can see these rain showers turning into a little bit of virga, which is rain which evaporates before it reaches the ground. There you go, and even some rain pushing through there as well. But with heavy rain down in the southeast and the east last week, thanks to Andrea, and more rain on the way. Flooding concerns are possible there from the mid-Atlantic all the way up into the northeast and especially the coastline. 5-day precipitation shows some of this heavy rainfall from Montana through the Midwest and again up into the northeast. We're talking 1 to isolated 3+ inches, especially in the northeast. But here it is. More rain on the way. Going to be a soggy next couple of days for folks east of the Mississippi Valley. Let's have another little area of disturbed weather heading in from the high plains. And then this is kind of interesting. Again, remember those thunderstorms out in Reno. It's all in association with this upper level low. Look at how dry the center of that upper level low is, indicated by that kind of orangish brown color. But out in the west, it is very warm. Temperatures out there reaching record levels. We had some triple-digit heat, and that heat is expected to be pushing out into the plains. Look at this. Denver today, almost 20 degrees above average, and that heat is going to continue to spill out into the plains. So triple-digit heat expected in a few spots. A couple of wind damage reports yesterday out in Reno. Had a number of wind and hail reports out in the southeast. Severe threat on Monday, mainly limited to just a few pockets out in the east. And then by Tuesday, we'll see a little sliver of unsettled weather start to show up from the high plains, the Midwest, and eventually into the Ohio Valley by Wednesday. So again, heavy rain in the east, maybe some flooding, a couple of areas of severe weather, and also the heat out in the southwest. Topping the weather headlines here on this Monday.